Hi everyone, we are the XM Boys, and this is our project for the hackathon. For a little introduction, we have two important parts that are our JV's API, that is a middleware that we created, and an XM Cloud starter instance where we added some components so we can demo what we did. We're trying to face a problem that sometimes we have as content authors. When you try to create different components with little components, there is a lot of times that you need to manually add containers, add cards, change styles, and then you need to repeat the same component a lot of times, for example, in a homepage. So we added some things that you can click and just clone all the components that you create. So for example, we added these components, flexible container and external link card. We're going to add a container so we can add our components. And let's say that we want to add this one. We added some variants so we can show, for example, this one will have a heading, and I don't know, like this is the description. We're going to add also some cards, and this one is one card, this one is another, and well, we have here some cards. We're going to add this and this, and I will say like Cargi 1 and Cargi 2. Some description 2, and this one, the description 1. So as you can see here, we have a flexible container. If we preview this, we will just have this thing. So yep, it's working. Now, for example, we want to add a new card. So for this, we will need to add a new one. This one, I would say we will change this to be 1/3 as another advanced style, 1/3, and this one too as 1/3. I will add another image here and Argy 3 and description 3. And as you can see here, we now created a new component that has all these cards. But if we want to create another one like this, we will need to manually do again everything. So what we did is just create a new button that you can clone a complete component, for example, this flexible container. And with just clicking it, we now added a new one that will clone everything inside of the same container that we had. So something important to notice is that this one has a lot of all these data sources are also cloned. So I can change here like flexible container 2, and this one is this description 2. And also in these ones, we can change all the images and everything. And all these cards will be like 4, 5, and 6, and also for all the descriptions. And well, as you can see, these are all different data sources, and we can also change the styling and everything for these components. And here, as you can see, if we go to see how the page is looking, you will see that everything is different, and we have cloned all these things. And if we go to review what we have here in the content editor, you will see that we have all the copies of all the data sources. And also here in the presentation details, you will see that we have all of our renderings, and they are placed well in their placeholders as they will need to be. So this is our project.